Anyone who is working out takes protein powder or takes high protein meals. The science behind this is when you exercise, you break down your muscle strength, and by providing proper nutrition and protein, you rejoin those strength. This entire process is also known as muscle hypertrophy process. कई bodybuilders का ये मानना है कि you should take protein supplements within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. मतलब an hour after your workout, if you haven't consumed protein, that means your entire exercise session is a waste because you miss the 30 to 60 minutes post-workout window, which is also known as anabolic window. मतलब अगर आपने वर्कआउट के बाद 1 आवर के अंदर प्रोटीन शेक नहीं लिया, क्या आपने आपका वर्कआउट वेस्ट किया? Does anabolic window really matter? Is the anabolic window a truth or a myth? A study by Dr. Brad Schoenfeld suggests that this anabolic window is much longer than 30 minutes after your workout and may not be limited only post-workout. In fact, ये स्टडी ये भी कहती है कि it really doesn't matter whether you take protein shake before or after your workout. तो होता क्या है? Resistance training stimulates your muscle protein synthesis in your body, which remains active for more than 48 hours in your body after exercise. Within this 48 hours, आपके muscles are very sensitive to amino acids, and the initial spike in amino acids stays for more than 2 to 3 hours, much broader window than a previously proposed 45 minutes. In another study conducted in 2017 by Dr. Schoenfeld also notes that the protein intake after workout is as wide as for several hours after exercise, depending on when you have consumed your pre-workout meal. और ये गौर करने वाली बात है, if you have consumed pre-workout nutrition with amino acids, and with that meal, if amino acids is present, then the post-workout meal time is not important. और इसलिए डॉक्टर शोएनफेल्ड और कई सारे रिसर्चर्स का ये मानना है कि we have 4 to 6 hours window period after the workout session. तो अगर if you eat pre-workout meal 1 hour prior your exercise or training, then you get a window of 3 to 4 hours to have your post-workout protein. लेकिन if you haven't eaten anything before 1 to 2 hours of your workout, then you need to consume your protein after your workout within 1 to 2 hours. और एक स्टडी हुई थी जिसमें they compared the effect of proteins having before and after workout on muscle strength and muscle size. Researchers ने 2 groups बनाए of 21 people each. Group 1 को उन्होंने प्रोटीन शेक दिया before workout, Group 2 को प्रोटीन शेक दिया गया after workout, and both the groups were given 25 grams of protein each. Everybody was given full body workout thrice a week for 10 weeks. Interestingly, it was found out that there was no difference between the muscle strength and muscle size in both the group. इन रिजल्ट से ये साफ पता चलता है कि कंज्यूमिंग प्रोटीन बिफोर और आफ्टर डजंट मैटर, इट शुड बी कंज्यूम्ड अराउंड योर वर्कआउट. हाउ मच प्रोटीन यू आर कंज्यूमिंग पर डे इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट than when you are consuming before or after workout for muscle strength and muscle improvement. Only अगर आप empty stomach workout कर रहे हो, then only it's important to consume post workout protein as soon as possible you finish your exercise. So overall, focus on consuming a daily protein goals rather than worrying on when you should have your protein. तो कैसा लगा आपको आज का वीडियो? Hope you like the content and the information. Please like, share and comment जरूर करिएगा. Subscribe to the Yoga Life channel.